Hey everyone, it's Darla from Crafty.yarn.owl. Welcome. So I just want to show you my shrug. It's called Got You Covered Shrug or Bolero. Now I'd made a tutorial for this a while back, so I'll attach it up here and in the description box and at the end of the video. All right, so you can't miss it. But I wanted to try out this yarn from Knitting Network, this Elements Urban Prints DK. I got them in mystery box. I got 2 mystery boxes, and if you haven't seen those, just look at them. I'll link it up here. Yeah, so I ended up getting 8 of these, 4 in each box. So I wanted to try them. They are mainly cotton, 85 cotton, 15 polyester. They're 50-gram balls, approximately 100 meters, 109 yards. This color is Paris. It's pinks and grays and whites. Color number is 002. Says it's machine washable at 30%. I mean 30 degrees. Medium iron, dry clean, dry flat, do not bleach. And they're DK, so it's a 3 weight. So for this shrug, I ended up using 6 of them. I'm around a large, and so 6 of them, so that's 600 and over 600 yards. Okay, 10 times 6 is 60. 660 yards. Right? Something like that, yeah. This is all I had left from the 6th ball. Just this tiny bit. Okay, what I did on this one was I made a little bow to hold it together there. I just made a chain, and I left long tails on each end of it and just put a bead, tied a knot, cut the yarn off, and just have a little bead. I hope you can see those. Just a little bead, whatever I had kicking around here. This is white and silver beads. All right, so this is my Timu top. I thought it might look kind of cute over top because there's white and pinks in this top. So, yeah. So if you guys want to make one, I mean, it works up really fast, really fast. And all you do is you make a rectangle. You hold your chain out like this, like a, so that it's going to make, so that'll include your sleeves. And just make a rectangle. And then you fold your rectangle over lengthwise and sew along here just a little bit up to your body, so you make a sleeve. And then after that, you just go around the outside, just around here, all the way around, all the way around, all the way around, so that you end up with your shrug getting more closed, is what it's going to do. Yeah, so someone had asked about making it longer. See, it's going to pull in tighter as it goes longer, as you work around, like I said, around the edge. So it's going to go a little bit tighter. If you want it longer, I would suggest going up a hook size, and that would give you more room, but it's also going to, give you more room here as well as down below, and we'll make it longer depending on the rows, because it has this curve. So I kind of thought maybe you could just part way, just add a back, but I don't know how, like, to make it longer, but I don't know how you're still going to get that curve. So yeah. And I used, let's see, it suggests on here, what does it suggest? 4mm knitting needles. It doesn't say the crochet hook, but I did use a 5. This is a 5mm crochet hook. Yeah, I just wanted to you know, if you go up a hook size or two or whatever, it just makes it more lacy looking. Yeah, and going around it, around your rectangle, go around your rectangle. Of course, it's going to make it so that you end up with this little collar too, which is, I think, really cute. So yeah, I hope you like this. It's an older tutorial, but that's fine. It's still, you know, it's still for today. Yeah, so this is very, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable to wear. I'm going to take this off because you can wear it without a little, you know, a little drawstring if you want. You know, you just wear it like that. Wear it open if you like. Yeah. Some shrugs are, if you don't go around, like I said, around this area with several rows, sometimes they're like this, and you know, I don't know if I want the girls to be looking like that. So anyway, so you can just leave it like this. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click like. I mean, it really does help out content creators, and comment if you want to, and you know, subscribe if you haven't already. I am working on a tutorial. Yes, I am. For it's a long sleeve summer top, just to throw over a tank top or a t-shirt, you know, if you want to just go yarn shopping or something. And actually this was a long weekend, so yeah, it's kind of slowed me down again for recording, but that's okay, it happens. So I'm pretty sure that tutorial is going to be out this week. Yeah, because I have one of the long sleeves done, and I just recorded how to do the sleeve, the other sleeve. I just have to finish making it, and then I think I have one more thing to do. And then, of course, you know, taking pictures or maybe video, or, you know, showing you what yarn I used, how much, what hook. So that one I'm making right now, you can use 1 weight, 2 weight, or 3 weight, or even maybe a thin 4. Those all would work. Yeah. And so anyway, that hopefully will be coming up this week. I don't see why not, but you never know. You never know what's going to come up before that. You never know what's going to happen. All right, so yeah, I just wanted to show you. I'd like to make more of these, actually, because they're really cute. They're just great just to throw on over top of tank top or whatever you have. Yeah, you can make it out of a thin acrylic. It doesn't have to be cotton. It's because it's holy, you know. All right, you guys, I'll see you again soon. All right, thank you so much for joining me. Bye for now.